Look to nature, the greatest motivator of all. It doesn't rush, yet everything is accomplished. Its immense power is found in its quiet, constant resilience. The tree that weathers the storm, the river that carves the canyon, the tiny seed that cracks the pavement to find the sun. And then, there is the Genda Phool, the humble yet magnificent marigold. It doesn't boast the delicate perfection of a rose or the exotic rarity of an orchid. Its beauty is one of unapologetic abundance and simple, vibrant utility.